Want to keep your Calendly events hidden? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make any event private, so only the people you invite can see or book it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, head over to your Calendly homepage where all your events are listed. Find the event you want to make private and double check you've selected the right one. Next, click on the three dots beside that event and choose Edit. This will open the editing mode. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a pop-up. Look closely for another set of three dots next to your event name. Click those dots and select Make Secret. Once you do, your event becomes private, hidden from the public, and only accessible to those you personally share it with. Finally, hit Save Changes to confirm. Without saving, your event won't stay private. And that's it. You've now made your Calendly event private, giving you more control and privacy in your scheduling. If this helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart tips.